Hey, crystal lover! We are back with something special just for you. As you know, that Navratri is coming up, and we've got the perfect way to celebrate with crystal energy. Unbox the power of Navratri with this Moonstone Citrine and Garnet bracelet gift box, the ultimate trio for protection, prosperity, and vitality. With sacred haldi kumkum and red chunri and a mantra scroll to guide your spiritual journey, this box has everything you need for a magical Navratri. Looking for more abundance and energy? Then check out our Moonstone Citrine and Garnet bracelet, perfect for spiritual cleansing and attracting divine blessings. And here's the best part, you can gift this beautiful box during your Haldi Kumkum ceremony or the Golu ceremony. And the best part is you can keep it as a special treat for yourself. Either way, it's sure to fill your Navratri with divine energy.